it's Dr. C, and we will be calculating the score needed for a certain percentile. So, first things first, I always recommend underlining the important elements of a question. So, it did say that this question was normally distributed, um, and then it has a mean of 1463. And then it says quartile 3 is 1663. So we're trying to find the score um, for this population. All right. So first things first, the relevant formulas that are here is the z-score. So z is sample mean minus population mean divided by the population standard deviation. Now, if you notice, they did not give us the standard deviation whatsoever, but they did give us the mean and they gave us quartile 3. Quartile 3 is relatively important because it allows us to kind of work backwards. So first things first, I recommend that we find the inverse of the z-scores, and of course you can do that in Excel. Let me share my screen. So within Excel, you can do the inverse function. So you can do equals norm.s.inv, and then quartile 3 is 75, so you'd be 0.75 here, and that gives you 0.674. Then it's asking for the 95th percentile, so then you would try again, and you would put 0.95. So our essential z-scores is 0.674 and 1.645. Okay? So after that, you essentially would be calculating the standard deviation because they did not give us that we need to calculate for this. Okay? Um, so the first thing we do is because we've already found what's the 75th percentile, we just plug it in and we use the formula. Okay? So we have 1663 minus 1463 over standard deviation equals 0.674. Okay? So of course we multiply everything over and we're trying to get the standard deviation by itself. So it gives us 0.674 times the standard deviation equals 200. So from there, we pretty much divide 0.674 on both sides, and that gives us a standard deviation of about 296,736. Okay. So after that, you need to calculate for the score. So now we have everything but the x value. The separate formula that's here it's like an extension of the z-score formula. It's just backwards for us to find x. So again, calculating the score is the z-score times the standard deviation plus the mean. So we essentially have everything here. We have the 1.645 times 296.73 59 plus the mean of 1463. Okay, when we calculate all that out, that gives us a x of about 1951.13. So I hope you found this to be helpful. If you have any additional questions, please reach out and let me know. Okay, have a great day.